morning, we are now on our 4th day. Tapos may tour tayo ngayon. Si Darling ulit yung nag-organize. I don't know kung saan. Sa Klook niya lang binili yun. Rainy. Chinchan. Dito yung meetup sa Zhongshan North Road, Gate 3 exit. So ganun, mapipila doon. Tapos magsasabi na si tour guide na go. So lahat yung buong group is going na. If you're in a tour, be sure to fall in line first para makapili kayo ng seats. So kami, nagsichikan pa kami, maingay kami. So nasa last kami. So ngayon, nandito kami sa likod ni Janet. Tapos magkakiwalay. Shishi. Free water. Si Darling, nandyan. Si Papa, Mama.
Today we are going to the Yanliu 9份10分10分 waterfall. Wow, you are busy day. First one, I will introduce myself first. My name is Bobo. B-O-B-O.
Oo nga. Ayan na. Nakita tayo dito. Sabi ni Janet na yung gusto niya ng Okay na? Okay na, let's go back to the bus. Baby, picture tayo dyan, oh, baby. Oh, dyan.
Dito, doon. Mas maganda yun.
So, ito yung... So, another stop before going dun sa Jiufen. Golden Waterfall daw. So, they call this King Kong Mountain daw because it resembles a gorilla. Oh, they call it Gorilla Mountain or what? Careful lang about ito eh. Look at that. That's the Golden Waterfall. Oh, it resembles gold. That's Bo, our tour guide. She's now going to show us like around quick lang daw. So tuturo niya lang yung yung mga kailangan puntahan, kainan.
Spirited out.
Summertime, wintertime, costume with the other sizes of this material.
Titis agad mo, ma, masarap.
Alright.
Malamig, ma?
Yes, I guess you sneaker. Brown sugar.
Baba.
Keep the body warm.
Baba.
You can keep the body warm.
Pa. Lami niya, lami.
Lami. You got it.
So kita niyo kung saan ako nagmana. Tirador ng pre-taste.
Wala lang to.
Hoy, ba, so ayos mo diyan mama. Kaya sundan pa nato to siya. Naunsa mo?
Real package looks like a yellow. So also for the good luck. Handmade has sour pineapple cake. They have little option for the dry squid, dry fish, and the fish broth. If you like, and then very option. Because they are very old.
Bulad. Amazing.
Please don't forget every checklist from this angle. Yes, with your beauty.
Ito isa. So, dito tayo kakain. Naka-order na tayo. Yung typical rice topping sila. 5 braised pork rice. Tapos this one. Tapos dumpling. Steamed vegetable and fried fillet. Hindi ko alam kung anong fillet. Basta fried fillet. Ano? Mga papa.
Yes, please.
Let's go.
Ay, sige.
And you want a coriander?
What's this?
Peanut ice
Peanut ice cream.
Yeah, for 2. For 4.
Okay. Okay, go. Ma'am, asa ang kuan? How much? 200. Liquid.
Sheshe.
Salamat.
Sheshe. So this is very sikat dito sa Taipei. Peanut ice cream tapos nakabalot sa lumpia wrapper. Let check. Whoa, how does it taste? Huh? It's good? Talaga? Huh? Whoa. Peanut brittle siya, tapos kiniskis. Nilagay dun sa lumpia wrapper. Nilagyan ng 2 scoop ng ice cream. Yung iba, pinapalagyan ng cilantro. It's weird. Pero, tatawagin naman kayo kung gusto nyo may cilantro o wala. So kami, no cilantro. Is it good? Must try. So, si Darling, kanina na po hinahanap to.
Lamig tayo po. No?
Papa. How does it taste?
Very yummy.
Yeah?
Yes.
Buwang ka?
Bapo ka.
Lami, mama? Lami?
Oh, lamig. Lamig kayo ba?
Hurot agad ni Papa. So, we are now going to Shifen Old Street. Dito yung mga lantern. Yun, yung lantern. Wow! Wow! Magaganyan din tayo. Tapos, ito, food trip na naman dito. Busog-busog, taing-taing na.
Chicken wing daw, mama.
Chicken wings, oh.
4, 3, 4, 5 is back here. Inside they have the chair and the table where you can rest, sit down. 4, 3, 4, 5, come back here. Hello? Can you listen to me? Before 3, 4, 5, come back this point. I will check. Okay? Like this way. This is Shifen Old Street. Today many people. Later you have to be careful your back. Be careful your back. This direction, go straight right side. Shifen train station. The opposite side, the bridge. Also very nice to take photos. Okay?
Kung saan may sulat, Ling?
Darling.
Hindi, Darling Store. Dan Grace Janet. Wala si Michael ko, wag yung kuyog. Next time pag nasa Michael, siya bayad.
Hi, Michael. Ready?
So nasa 3, malayo-layo pa 100. 3 pa lang 3. Okay, thank you. Huh? So that's it, tapos na yung lantern and then we roam around na. Meron kaming binili na masarap daw, chicken wings. Parang sikat din daw yun dito sa Taipei. Chicken wings, rice. Doon natin kakainin kung saan ang meet up. Nandun na rin daw isi-serve. Mamaya, tignan natin. Okay?
Kinaya eh.
No. Is it good? It's good, no? So ito na yung chicken wing rice. Chicken wing stuffed rice. It's good, as in. Ito yung pinunta namin dito ulit sa Ximending. Yung Shifutang, yung milk tea dun sa kanto na sikat daw, tsaka una daw. And itong Hot Star. So pumila dun sila, darling, si Mama at Papa, pumila dun sa milk tea. Kami ni Janet pumila dito sa Hot Star para pagtapos na to, tapos na rin sila dun eh. Makakain na tayo.
Mainit.
Walang plastic? So balik na tayo doon para may panulak bago natin kainin dito.
The number one.
Hey, ha.
The number one, milk tea.
It's good. Muscovado. It's good. It's really good. Unang sip nyo, parang gatos lang. Pero halo nyo yung brown sugar. It's really good. Shifutang. Nice. Must try. Dinadaan-daanan na namin ito ni Janet, no? Dinadaan-daanan na namin ito nung nakaraan. At least ngayon. Ngayon to. Pipila talaga. Buti lang pinupush talaga ni Darling subukan to. It's really good.
Anong dako kung kayo ni?
So ito, Hot Star nila. Meron din sa Pilipinas pero subukan natin. Pareho lang na. Pareho lang lasa sa Pilipinas. Ito talaga Shifutang. Must try. Ha? Lagi no? Lamigay mo. Hot Star. Diba? Ma, lamig kayo. Diba? So good. That's it. That ends our Taipei trip. 4 days, 5 days, pero uuwi na kami bukas ng umaga. That's it. Thanks for watching. Yun, magpasensya yung vlogging skills namin. Kasi nakakapa pa, it's been 4 years. Tsaka subukan din natin i-vlog yung coffee shop namin. Okay, that's it. See you again. Bye. Bye bye. Welcome. Enjoy Taipei ha. Enjoy Taipei pag pumunta kayo dito. Bye. Darling, bye. Mama, Papa.